which coins will go parabolic when Trump wins this election. I will show you those coins that will go parabolic when Trump wins this election in this video. In this video, we'll be looking at the data showing Trump winning, the data showing that Trump will win this election. We'll also look at Elon Musk's role in this election, and we'll look at the coins that you can trade on spot or the coin that you can hold, and based on the data, I believe those coins will perform extremely well. Now, to quickly disclaim, nothing I'm sharing or I'm teaching in this video is a financial advice whatsoever. Kindly consult your financial advisor before making a financial investment decision. Okay, that being said, to get started, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I publish new video content, you'll be the first to get notified. Firstly, we look at the data showing Trump winning the presidential election. So here I have it with me. This poly market election prediction analysis. Now, what makes poly markets different from other polls or other platforms that try to gauge who will likely be the winner of the election, whether Trump or Kamala Harris, is that poly market is a betting platform. That means on poly market, before you can join this poll, you have to vote. You have to use your money to join the poll before you can vote for anybody, before you can be part of the poll. You have to spend your hard-earned money to be part. Okay, you can see to vote for Trump is 62.5. I know it's 37.6. So money is involved, hard currency is involved. Okay, so this is very important. But let's go now and look at the likely winner. You can see Trump's chance of winning the election is 63.2%, while Kamala Harris' chance of winning the election is 95.3%. So this is obviously obvious that Donald Trump has the higher tendency or higher likelihood of winning the 2024 presidential election of the United States of America are expecting. Next, we look at the role of Elon Musk in the 2024 presidential election. Obviously, Elon Musk is supporting Donald Trump, and he's supporting Donald Trump because of these reasons. Okay, look at data showing Elon Musk supporting Donald Trump, just 2.42% to go and so okay, so Elon Musk believe in the data coming from the market because he believes that real money is involved, is on the line. Okay, so let's look at another reason why Elon Musk is supporting Donald Trump. True. One of the main reasons Elon Musk became more active in politics is his goal to reach Mars and make life possible there. Now, this is a picture of Mars. Now, Elon Musk believes that when Donald Trump wins, it will be a catalyst to reaching Mars or making life multi-planetary. And he believed that it's also one of the reasons why he's so pro-Trump and he supports Trump administration. Now, let's watch a short clip where Elon Musk is talking about establishing a Department of Government Efficiency that will help to cut waste from the United States of America government spending. Your money is being wasted, and all that government efficiency stuff. So what Elon Musk is saying here is that he has proposed to establish a ministry or an agency called the Department of Government Efficiency. And what this Department of Government Efficiency will do is it will help the government to cut off. So that means if there are expenses that do not create value for taxpayers, Elon Musk, we use the Department of Government Efficiency to cut those expenses off. So expenses that accrue value to the people of the United States of America and those expenses that will be embarked on by the government, while expenses that do not accrue value will be cut off. So that is important. Now, having said that, analyze this data and bring it together. Where is the money in this whole analysis? Okay, so we'll be looking at some politified coins that could go parabolic when this prediction when it happened the way it is predicted. Let's look at what Unipix says here. Unipix, aka one guy. Many think the rally on Trump meta political meme coins. On the contrary, I believe the rally on political meme coins like MAGA Trump has barely even started. The Trump pre-election rally for crypto has barely started. Why poly market is just a prediction market? I think it is more reflective of the odds of the election outcome than the majority of the so-called poll out there, and it is showing significantly increasing bullishness on Trump win. Okay, so what this what this influencer is saying is that the rally, or the growth of the political sector has not even started. It will start based on the prediction data, and since we are very close to the election. This meme coin will start performing very well. So we'll look at some of those meme coins. Okay, so these are the meme coins. We'll look at the ones that I believe could go parabolic when Trump win the election. Okay, so the first one on my list is MAGA, which is the ticker is from, and the current market cap is $177,000 million. And you can see the all-time high was around $800 million. So this can easily give a 10x when Trump finally wins. And to buy this project, let's check the market. You can buy it on Mexi, on video.It, on Bitcoin. I can also buy it in the shop. So the next one is Fight to MAGA. Okay, Fight to MAGA. You understand what happened when Donald Trump was shot. He raised his arm and he was shouting "Fight, fight." The current market cap for Fight to MAGA, this fight is $10 million. Okay, and its all-time high was around $50 million. So this is one of the narrative. This is one of the narrative that could go parabolic. Where can you buy it from? You can buy it from Mexico, you can buy it from video.io, and you can also buy it from Uniswap. Okay, let's look at the next one, MAGA hat. The ticker is MAGA, and the current market cap for this is 100 million. Let's look at its all-time high and the potential that this has. The all-time high was $200 million. So that means it is 50% down. Okay, so there's this as some of the projects that will go Gaga, that will go Giga, that will go parabolic. You can buy it from Gate.io, from Mexi, and from Uniswap too. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Donald Trump. Donald Trump. This is a meme coin. Let's look at the market cap, the all-time market cap, 125. No, even more than that, 136 million, and it's currently around $38 million. This is a random meme coin. So that means you can buy it through Stadium, you can buy it through Mexi or Kraken and other platforms. So the next one is Tuka. Tuka is a meme coin, okay, that has very amazing content. It creates content around news, report around politics, and it is very accurate. It is very accurate and it is very entertaining. Tuka content are very, very impressive, amazing. Okay, let's look at it. Has its all-time market cap was it's currently around $10 billion. So this is huge. It's huge. It is another meme coin. That means you can buy it through Radium or Jupiter Exchange. You can buy it through Coinbase. You can buy it through any of those exchanges. Okay. The next one is Constitution DAO. I find this particular project very interesting because we tried look at what this particular project, look at what the team tried to why they created Constitution DAO. We tried to buy the Constitution in 7 days, raised 42 million, onboarded 1,000 into Web3 and 10 million. Now this team came together and crowdfunded 42 million in 7 days to buy the Constitution of the United States of America Constitution. Now that led to the formation of Constitution DAO. This is so bullish. This shows what Web3 can do. Okay, if given they are probably giving the proper regulatory support, what Web3 can do is so important. For if random people strangers came together and were able to raise 42 million in 7 days, that speaks volume. So this is bullish for this project. And let's look at the price actions for this project. The price action, the current market cap is $378 million. Okay, so this can easily go to $1 billion. This is a general chain meme coin. Let's look at where you can buy it. You can buy it from Gate.io, you can buy it from Buy. It has a very good story and a good narrative. I think this will send. Now let me quickly add that there are two ways to trade this to make money from this project, from this meme coin, based on the election prediction. Okay, one of the ways is to hold it on spot after the election or during the election, based on the outcome. You say and make your money or make your profit. Why you may decide to hold, and see what will happen after the election. So these are the two ways you can make money from it. You can try to invest, hold for a long period. So there are other projects that are associated with Elon Musk, being that Elon Musk is pro-Trump. When Trump wins, this project will also experience a parabolic increase in price. Okay, the first one is Department of Government Efficiency, Dodge. Now you watch the video where Elon Musk was proposing that he will establish an agency of the government called the Department of Government Efficiency, and the role of that agency is to cut waste from the United States of America government expenses. So that means expenses that are value generating or that add value or that gives value for money are those expenses that will be promoted by the government, by the Department of Government Efficiency. While those expenses that do not generate value will not be supported. So the current market cap is $55 million, and it has huge potential, and because this is one of the projects that both Donald Trump talks about it and Elon Musk talks about it. So the other one is the leader of the entire meme coin, Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin has a very amazing potential. This is the coin that is supported. Elon Musk support this coin, and its all-time market cap was around close to I think close to 80 billion dollars. And it's currently around $24 billion. So you can buy this project from Binance, video.io, and other platforms. There are one exchange. You can buy this project from one exchanges. So here you have it, guys. Here you have it, guys. These are coins that I believe we send when Donald Trump finally win the election. If you find this content helpful, click the subscribe button, subscribe, like, and comment. It's a video here on the top AI coins that you should hold in order to make money from the AI narrative. Cordula has a community. Click the description section and you see link to Telegram community. Click it and join.